How to export files as MP4 on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can export files as MP4 on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser and at the search bar type picsart.com. Press enter and make sure you are logged into your account. Once on the home page, scroll down to find your project or file. Then double click on it to reach the editing space. Once you reach the editing space, here at the top right you will see export button. Click on it and a window will appear. In the window you will see file type and a little arrow next to it. Click on that arrow to see the options. Select MP4 from the options here and then click on the download button below. Your file will be downloaded. Once the download is complete, open the folder and you will see that you have successfully exported the file as MP4 on Picsart. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.